Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. Sticking with the theme of beauty boxes, I want to unbox this month's latest in beauty box with you. So let's get into the video. So I received this in the post and I wanted to unbox it on camera for you. So let's open this up. This is the first time I've had a latest in beauty. I did actually pick my own items. I think the rule is that I think this was a discounted box for your first box. I'll put all the details in the description, but the first box is usually discounted and I think then it's £15 a month. You do get to choose your own products, but obviously if you miss your deadline to choose your own products, they will be chosen for you. So just bear that in mind. It's just reminded myself that I need to choose next month's products. But yeah, so be aware that you do need to choose your own unless you're not fussy on what you receive, and there is quite a selection to try as well. So let me crack this open. So I've just took the sleeve off. It basically comes like this, with the little leaflet to say the fairest of them all. It's got that in there as well, and it comes really prettily packaged in beautiful tissue paper like so. Let me just open this up. Again, there's like some info on some new products in there. This one's actually cruelty free, which is quite interesting. Natural serums and things, so they do introduce you to sort of new products and new ranges and things as well. So you get some little shreddy bits in here, and beyond that there are some nice little goodies. So with this month's box, I did get a free makeup bag, so I'll show you that straight off. This was, oh, it's full of dust. This is the free makeup bag that we got with this month's box. This says latest in beauty on the front there, and then on the back there it says eat, sleep, pout, repeat. So yeah, it's cute. It's got a little like chrome little pulley with latest in beauty on, which is really nice. And you can basically pop all your products in here. Nice little makeup bag there. So you got that as well. Inside as well, because it's Christmas, you do get your little box of Lindor truffles. Quite a few of the boxes are giving away little chocolates. So yeah, I got a packet of those. I think there are only like 3 in there, but hey, it's fine. So I have got a discount code for you. It is £5 off your January box. So if you want to use any of this detail on here, you can do. I'll also leave it in the description box below. It is £5 off your January box. So not launching in 2019. You must use the code below, which is, I'll put it on the screen as well. There it is, if you want to read that. Again, I'll leave it in the description box as well if you want to know what that is. But yeah, you get £5 off your beauty resolutions box, using the code below. So yeah, if you're interested in the latest in beauty box, then get the discount while you can. Even if you just want to try it for the month, it's better to get that £5 off just in case. So there's that as well. Right, so first thing that I chose was the Embryzolise. I don't know whether I'm saying that correctly or not. This is lait creme concentrate. So it sounds like milky cream or something like that. I'm not brilliant at French, to be honest. This is a multifunction moisturizer basically. So I wanted to try this out. It had quite good reviews. So when you do go on the Latest in Beauty website, there are reviews next to each of the products, and obviously if it's a very popular brand and people like it, it will get quite a few more stars than some of the other products. And I think this one particularly had quite a few stars, so I was particularly interested in this. Again, they are only like small sort of sizes. Again, it's kind of a tiny size. There is only 5 mils here, so yeah, so that's one of them. You have to pierce it as well to use it, but I will be giving that a whirl, to be fair. And if I do like it, I might buy the full jar, but it depends. So it is a nice way to try new products without having to spend a lot of money and buy the whole size and then realizing that you don't like it. So yeah, so I got that one. Next thing I got was, these were very popular as well. This is the and the one that I really wanted was out of stock, because you've got to get on there really quickly because things go really fast. This is the Sweetest Cherry Pie hand cream. I ran out at work, to be fair, of hand cream, so I wanted one to replace it. This one smells amazing. Yeah, it smells so nice. Sorry, I'll just give you a quick look at the packaging, because I kind of love this kind of like retro kind of packaging. It reminds me of like 1940s, or you know, like the shabby chic kind of era. Oh, that is so nice as well. The lighting's gone weird. There we are, we're back. That is so nice. Feels, it's not too greasy either, which is really good. So I really like that. Right, next product is a 3-shade ombre shimmer. This is by Moi Luxe. Oh, look, right. Ooh. Right, oh, so this is like 3-shade shimmer. So this is like a twisty up sort of product like that, and it has got 3 shades in one stick. So yeah, I think you kind of get a mixture of colour using that, to be honest. So there's that as well. This one again had a really good rating, which is why I picked it. So I wanted to give that a go. So that should be really nice too. Next item is some shower gel, shower oil, should I say. This is by Nuxie. Now I love Nuxie. I fell in love with Nuxie because I got some of their perfume in one of the Birch boxes a few months ago, and they are so nice. And I was lucky enough to find a website that was doing them half price. They're usually about £50 for a bottle of Nuxie. They do like a night and day one, which is really nice. Now I do want the night one as well, but I like the day one better. But and luckily they were half price, so I got mine for like 32 quid. It should have been like £50. So I really fell in love with the Nuxie brand. I believe it's a French brand as well. Yeah, it says Paris on there. So I wanted to try this one. This is a shower oil with a golden shimmer. So it cleanses and leaves a satin finish. Because I was so taken by the oh, it's sealed again, by the perfume, when this one came up in the latest in beauty box, I really wanted to try it. So let me just take the packing off there. Oh, this smells so good as well. Let me just squeeze that. Oh yeah, you can actually see. Can you see that? See the colour of that? Let me just swatch it on my hand. Yeah, it definitely has like a, I don't know whether you can see, the lighting's not great in here. Can't wait for Christmas Day so that I can have my lamp off, Sam. But yeah, oh, it smells so good. Everything that they do just smells really nice. Right, so there was that as well. I think you get about 6 things altogether, so you get to choose 6 things. So I picked up some Soap and Glory Butter Yourself, because I do love Soap and Glory. It's one of my favourite products. They always just smell so fresh. But yeah, I love that. So everyone's heard of Soap and Glory, so you probably know what that one is. Right, so the next item in the latest in beauty box is this OPI nail polish. I know we've all heard of OPI. This one's a little one. It's a tiny little 325ml, but it's in like a pillar box red colour. Which is really cute. I do like OPI as well. I do like their gel polish as well. This is just the normal nail lacquer, to be fair. So that's really cute if you wanted to try out some shades. I picked up a, this is a lip pencil in the colour Toast. I really liked the shade of this. It's quite a natural kind of colour, if you want to just see the end there. I quite like these kind of shades. I think they suit me a lot better. Sometimes I wear it a little bit darker, but I do like the pale ones. This one's in the colour Toast. So yeah, that one was really good as well. And then the last one as well is this one, and it is a full size product as well. Do look out on the website, some of the stuff is full size. So this is a dark circles eye serum, so anti-aging day cream. It's all for all skin types. It's a day cream. It's supposed to remove fine lines and wrinkles. Well, yes, I could do with that right now, to be honest. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to using that as well. Again, I haven't heard of this brand before. If you have, just let me know in the description box below. I'd be interested to see if this is a bit of a well-known brand or I'm just literally out of the loop. Yeah, so this is the name of the brand, even though it isn't focusing all that well. As I say, it is a day cream. This looks really nice actually. It's 30 ml, so it is a full-size product, so really decent. I mean, you only pay £15 for the latest in beauty box, but as I say, this one was discounted, and if you go for the one for January, you can get £5 off, so you would get yours for £10, and you do get 6 items to choose. So yeah, go and check it out. It's brilliant. Yeah, so that's everything for the video. I hope you're enjoying these beauty unboxings. I will be having the Birchbox early January, so that should be coming up, and then obviously we'll have January's latest in beauty as well, so I need to go and pick the items. I might even do a mystery box again next month, depending on how well you enjoyed that. So yes, that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that'd be brilliant, and if you want to subscribe, you can do in the link below. That's it for today's video, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.